Let's build a creepy pumpkin arch. First, grab some rebar. It's solid and cheap, great for holding up your Halloween creeps. But today we'll use it for the Halloween arch and hammer it down into the yard. Simple and easy, one on each side. This is a great spot for group photos, so make sure it's wide. Once they're solid, about 2 feet down and about 5 foot sticking out of the ground, take a long PVC pipe and bend it like so. Create a nice arch so the top is not low. Grab some old pumpkins, the ones made of plastic for gathering treats, a Halloween classic. Slide them down on the pole one at a time and stack them up tall like I'm doing to mine. To hide that white pipe, just paint that thing brown so it appears as a stick that grew from the ground. Now find a young helper, preferably one that you actually know. This one's my son. Beat up on nature and succeed in the scuffle. Rip down some vines with your gigantic muscles. Drag nature's dead body back over and start grabbing some branches and tear them apart. Fill the top of your pumpkins with sticks and some leaves. These leaves will soon die and look old and diseased. Now take that vine that we grabbed from the tree and wrap it around your arch, just like me. Wrap them all around from the top to the ground. Zip ties and twine are a good help that I found. A zip tie or two every couple of feet seems to be helpful to keep it all neat. Now hang this big guy to greet everyone, and just one more step and then we're all done. Clean up your mess and wrap it in lights to make it all glow on Halloween night.